Imagine walking into a car dealership, finding the car of your dreams, and with the push of a button, printing it off and driving it home the next day.
It sounds crazy, but that could become a reality as early as next year as the world's first and only 3D printed car debuts this week in Chicago.
There's no tool, there's no die, there's no pattern. Those things cost tens of millions of dollars. It's being free casted, printed out of a machine. No material wastage. It's just what you get.
And what you get is this, a real car. Meet Strati, the world's first automobile whose entire structure was created using direct digital manufacturing. The vehicle is being printed, assembled, and driven this week at Chicago's International Manufacturing Technology Show, and the 3D car is manufacturing a very confused fan base.
People are like, this blows my mind. I don't know where to go with this.
And this is what the car is made out of. Little carbon fiber infused plastic pellets, the same plastic used to make Legos. It cost about $5 a pound. Added to Cincinnati Incorporated's massive 3D printer, and 44 hours later, it's a car. This is time-lapse video of the car being printed. Drop in a power plant, wheels and tires, it's ready for the road. And according to Local Motors CEO and founder Jay Rogers, you will be able to put one on the road in the very near future.
Less than 12 months, we want people to be buying these and putting them on the road, and we will go through the highway certification, and as soon as that's done, you'll be able to put them on the highway.
Strati weighs about 1,500 pounds and is powered by a battery, but a gas motor would work too. It will reach speeds of 40 miles per hour. Eventually, Rogers says, the 3D car will be tuned to run at highway speed. A faster car, manufactured at a faster rate, with less parts and virtually no waste.
The average car today has over 20,000 parts. Our goal was to get under 50 parts in this car.
Rogers calls Strati and 3D manufacturing a game changer in the auto industry.
This is not about uber expensive cars. This is about changing the way products are made in the vehicle arena and allows us to be able to pursue less expensive vehicles because of those changes.
When he told me they would be ready in about 12 months, it floored me. I couldn't believe it. They're going to test drive Strati for the first time on Saturday at McCormick Place. I know you're asking, what's a 3D car going to cost me? Rogers told me that he hopes that the base model will start out at about $18,000. Again, as for safety, he says this car is going to go through the same safety tests as the cars from the major manufacturers go through. That 3D printer from Cincinnati Incorporated, by the way, that cost $1 million. If you're wondering, if you'd like to have one in your home.
But it's so cheap to make. You said about $5 a pound for the actual material.
$5 a pound for that stuff.
It really is hard to believe, so I can't wait to see it on the road.
Yeah, it's 12 months.
Yeah.
12 months. They hope to have them out there.
Would you roll in that, Lou? I know you like to roll in style.
Forget about whether I would roll in something like that, but you've got Dale Earnhardt Jr. and Jeff Gordon and all the NASCAR guys in town for the event at the Chicagoland Speedway. The Chase should have had them there trying to test drive those cars. Can we talk a little football? It's football season. Lance Briggs said